As long as we know. A couple of texts from my therapist.